All right, busy morning here on the Rolls. Got our last three, see the three open holes here for the exhaust manifolds. Last three studs that were broken off, I got them drilled out. I mean, obviously they didn't unthread. I used left-handed bits and everything. Drilled out and cleared and all the way through. And I countersunk around them as well for a nice locating centering spot. We are going to put Time-Certs in those three holes. The remaining studs that were removed, I've cleaned their holes and put our nice new stainless steel studs in, so they're ready to go. So when our Time-Certs show up, Time-Cert these three holes, boom, 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 away we go. It's gonna be looking incredible.